Hey guys, it's My Perfect Pet World here, and in today's video I am going to be giving a Christmas cage tour for my hamster's cage. So if we start in the back right hand corner here, we've got this little hide which I got from PetSmart. And then we've got her wheel, which is just a flying saucer wheel. And there's Mochi. In front of that, we've just got her water bottle, and underneath right here, there is a little bendy bridge, which I just like to leave flat right there because she likes to burrow under, and just in case the water drips, it doesn't drip right into the bedding. And if we move to the left of her wheel, right here, we've got a little popsicle stick house, which just has 2 pretzels on it, which I got the pretzels from PetSmart, and I just put them onto the house. Right in front of that popsicle stick house, we just have one of these little grass hides again, and I think I got that one from Petco online. And then those 2 little log things, which I also got from Petco. And then somewhere around her cage, which she has buried because I made this cage a few weeks ago, she's got some apple sticks and some other chews, which I'm not quite sure where they've disappeared to. And then she's also got some tissue paper bedding, which is in her house. This one just happens to be outside of her house. And right now, I'm just going to give Mochi a little whimsy, which she loves whimsies, as most hamsters seem to do. So that is all for this cage fam, and we will see you next time.